Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to add favicon in HTML. Currently I'm at google.com and you can see there is a Google title, and just before the Google title there is a favicon. We are going to add similar icon to the HTML document. So this is the icon that we are going to use. The size is 32 by 32 and the extension is ICO. People generally go with other formats, for example PNG or JPG, but I will not recommend it. I suggest you to go with this ICO format because this is meant for icons. Let's create an index file here, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. To add a favicon to a website, you need to add a link tag. I'm using VS Code, and the VS Code there is a feature called emit, and there's a shortcut to generate the code snippet for the favicon. So this is the code snippet, a link tag, and you can see we have three attributes here. The first attribute is rel, that stands for relation, the relation with the resource. So the relation is shortcut icon. Next is href, that represents the location of the resource. In our case it is in the same directory, so it is favicon.ico. The next is type, the type of the file. In our case it is icon, so we are using image/x-icon. If you are using JPG or PNG format, you can put JPEG or PNG here instead of this X icon. I just save it, open this file in the browser, and you can see we are getting our favicon here. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.